Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce our new products on the table right now. This is LED signs, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, they are almost about like a 19 and 3¼ inches wide. And the depth about like a 10 inches. For the thickness, they are almost about like a 1¼ inches. And on the side of the units, we can see they have a small hinge holders on the both sides. You can just mount this on the wall or on the window or any place you need. So we can see this one is really simple. They come in with a power outlet connections with the standard 110 plugs. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.